Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Bark to Basics dog shampoo is probably one of the most sought-after products for pet owners looking to give their furry companions a spa-like experience right at home. And today, we're diving deep into what makes this particular formula stand out from the crowded market of canine grooming essentials, examining its unique blend of natural ingredients and its effectiveness in tackling common doggy dilemmas like dryness, itchiness, and that unmistakable, wet dog odor, all while ensuring a gentle yet thorough cleanse that leaves your pup's coat looking and feeling its absolute best. Number 5. Pet MD Dog Ear Cleaning Wipes. Introducing our advanced ear cleaning wipes, specially formulated to gently clean and deodorize your dog's ears. They are safe for regular use, helping to maintain healthy ears. Regular use of these wipes can help reduce the risk of ear infections. They work to minimize wax buildup and remove debris from your pet's ears. Each pack contains 100 convenient, soothing, and non-irritating disposable wipes. They are designed for dogs over 12 weeks old. Say goodbye to foul ear odor. These wipes help prevent infections, keeping your dog happy and healthy without the need for medication. Made in the USA in federally regulated facilities, you can trust the quality and safety of our ear cleaning wipes for your beloved pet. What we like. This product is designed for easy and regular use to keep your dog's ears clean and healthy. It helps reduce the risk of ear infections and minimizes wax buildup. If you have a dog prone to ear issues or want a simple way to maintain ear hygiene, you should consider this. What people say. This shampoo is amazing. It leaves my dog's coat incredibly soft and shiny. It has a great lather and rinses out easily, saving me time during bath time. The natural ingredients make it gentle on my dog's sensitive skin, and I haven't noticed any irritation. Number 4. Bark 2 Basics Blueberry D-Matte Dog Conditioner. Introducing our Blueberry D-Matte Dog Conditioner, a versatile solution for your pet's coat. It's perfect for moisturizing and revitalizing both skin and coat, making grooming a breeze. Tired of struggling with tough mats and tangles? This weightless formula helps to gently loosen them, aiding in the de-shedding process during baths. Say goodbye to static and hello to silky softness. It effectively rids the coat of static while adding essential moisture for a smooth, touchable finish. Proudly crafted in the USA, our conditioner uses only the highest quality, naturally derived ingredients. It's cruelty-free, soap-free, and biodegradable for a responsible choice. This highly concentrated formula can be diluted for 16 gallons of conditioner, offering excellent value. Its pH-balanced, gentle formula cleans without causing irritation. When used regularly, it dramatically helps to reduce shedding. Keep your home cleaner and your pet more comfortable with consistent application. What we like. This conditioner is a multi-purpose solution for moisturizing and revitalizing your dog's coat. It effectively loosens tough mats and tangles while eliminating static. If you're struggling with shedding or dealing with a tangled coat, this is the perfect choice for a smoother, softer finish. What people say. This shampoo is great for my dog's itchy skin. It leaves my dog's coat soft and shiny. The scent is very mild and pleasant. Number 3. Bark 2 Basics Brighten White Dog Shampoo. Refresh your pet's coat color with our natural chamomile extract. This brightening and whitening formula is perfect for pets with naturally white or light-colored coats. Experience a gentle clean that deeply moisturizes the skin and coat, leaving a lustrous shine. It's ideal for pets with sensitive, dry, or itchy skin and effectively eliminates odors. Our concentrated formula offers incredible value. It can be diluted 16:1 with water, allowing you to make 16 gallons of shampoo from a single bottle. This professional-grade shampoo is used by pet stylists and groomers worldwide. It's the same premium product found in grooming salons globally. Crafted with the highest quality, naturally derived ingredients, our product is proudly made in the USA. It's cruelty-free, soap-free, and biodegradable, ensuring the best for your furry friends. Not only is this shampoo safe for dogs, but it's also suitable for use on cats. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's gentle for all your pets. What we like. This shampoo is formulated to revive and brighten the natural color of light-coated dogs. It provides a gentle yet moisturizing clean, leaving the coat with a lustrous shine and helping to remove stains. If you have a white or light-colored dog that needs a boost in vibrancy, this is the ideal shampoo for you. What people say. This shampoo is great for my dog's itchy skin. It leaves his coat soft and shiny. The scent is very mild and pleasant. Number 2. Bark 2 Basics Melon Cucumber Dog Shampoo, 1 gallon. Experience a unique herbal blend that gently cleans your dog's coat. It delivers essential nutrients and moisture, leaving their skin and coat healthy and beautiful. Our nourishing formula is perfect for dogs with allergies, itching, or sensitive skin. It helps to soothe and hydrate, providing relief and comfort. Say goodbye to unpleasant pet odors. This shampoo effectively eliminates smells, leaving your dog with a fresh and delightful wild berry fragrance. Trusted by grooming professionals worldwide, this concentrated formula makes 16 gallons of shampoo. It offers professional-grade quality at an exceptional value. Made with the highest quality naturally derived ingredients, it's cruelty-free, soap-free, and biodegradable. It's also safe for use on cats and won't wash off topical flea and tick treatments. What we like. This shampoo features a unique herbal blend that gently cleans while delivering essential nutrients to your dog's skin and coat. It's great for soothing sensitive skin and eliminating odors. If your dog has allergies, itching, or a sensitive coat and you want them to smell fresh, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This shampoo lathers up really well and rinses out easily, leaving my dog's coat soft and shiny. The scent is very mild and pleasant, not overpowering at all. My dog didn't seem bothered by it. It's great for sensitive skin. My dog usually gets itchy after baths, but this shampoo didn't cause any irritation. Number 1. Bark 2 Basics Crystal Clear Dog Shampoo, 1 gallon. Experience a gentle yet effective clean with our all-natural shampoo. It's crafted with a unique herbal blend to nourish your dog's skin and coat. Our mild formula is free from fragrance and color, making it ideal for dogs with allergies, itching, or sensitive skin. It effectively eliminates odors, leaving your pet smelling fresh. This highly concentrated shampoo can be diluted up to 16:1, allowing you to make 16 gallons of shampoo from just one. You can also use it at full strength if preferred. Trusted by professional pet stylists and groomers worldwide, our premium grade products are the same ones used in grooming salons. It's even safe for use on cats. Handcrafted in small batches with the highest quality, naturally derived ingredients. It's cruelty-free, soap-free, and 100% biodegradable, ensuring the best for your furry friend. Our gentle shampoo will not wash off topical flea and tick products when used as directed. You can maintain your pet's protection without compromising their cleanliness. What we like. This shampoo is crafted with a unique herbal blend in a mild base, making it completely fragrance and color-free. It's designed for the most sensitive dogs, gently cleaning and delivering nutrients while eliminating odors. If your dog has extremely sensitive skin or allergies and reacts to fragrances or colors, this is the perfect gentle solution. What people say. It has a nice scent and lathers well. This shampoo leaves my dog's coat soft and shiny. It effectively cleans my dog's fur without stripping natural oils. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.